When Gelcoat really puts every process to the test, you need a compound that makes no compromises. RUPES Marine XC-100 extra cut compound was created exactly for this purpose. Hello, I'm Andrea Bruciaferri, field test engineer at RUPES. Last year we launched our new marine line dedicated to the boating industry, and today I'm here to officially introduce Marine XC-100, the first of 6 products in the marine range developed to deliver power, control and tangible results on the most demanding marine surfaces. Marine XC-100 is an extra cut compound designed for the removal of 800-1000 sanding marks on production Gelcoat and severely oxidized boats. It is a powerful solution developed to handle heavy-duty work on Gelcoat surfaces, and especially in situations where intense, fast and reliable correction is required. This compound excels in the most challenging applications such as freshly applied Gelcoat, mold maintenance and work on boats with severe oxidation. For this reason, Marine XC-100 is an ideal choice for professionals in boat manufacturing and maintenance who are looking for high performance and maximum effectiveness from the very first pass. To suit every working need, Marine XC-100 is available in 3 sizes: 500 mm, 1 kg and 4.5 kg, offering maximum flexibility for both more targeted jobs and more structured continuous operations. With rotary polishers, Marine XC-100 can be paired with different wool pad solutions depending on the desired level of cut. Rotary twisted or smart fix twisted wool pads are the most aggressive in the RUPES range and represent the ideal choice when maximum cutting level is required. Rotary cut and finish wool pads provide a superior finish while still maintaining excellent correction capability. Rotary flat wool pads offer a level of cut that represent the perfect balance, positioning themselves between the twisted and the cut and finish pads. Marine XC-100 also performs at its best with dual action polishes. In this case, the recommended pairing is with the DA coarse wool pads, designed to remove major paint defects and effectively tackle even the most visible imperfections. For smaller areas and detail work, Marine XC-100 can also be used with our Bigfoot Hybrid Nano 2, taking advantage of its full variety of movements and functional units to work precisely even in the most difficult to reach areas. At the end of all the steps, to complete the job in the best possible way, we recommend using our Bigfoot Blue microfiber cloths, ideal to removing every residue and enhancing the final result to the fullest. Marine XC-100 is therefore the RUPES solution designed for those who need a compound capable of combining high cutting performance, versatility and reliability, even in the most demanding conditions of the marine industry. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. Stay with us to discover all the videos in our marine line, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the next videos. And one more thing, don't forget to download the RUPES app, where you can find the marine brochure and much more. The app is available on the Play Store and the App Store. Download it now. Ciao!